beef pepper fry. So 900 grams of beef cubes, small cubes. I have just added little 1 teaspoon of salt and about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and little vinegar. And now I'm going to pressure cook it for about 15 minutes. We have the boiled meat now. So this is kept a pan, added 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm adding 2 sliced onions, going to fry them, and after about 2 minutes then I'll add the ginger, garlic and green chilies chopped. So I got about 12 garlic, chopped garlic, about 2 inches of chopped ginger, about 3 green chilies chopped, and then you've got 3 small tomatoes. So first onion I'll fry, then the ginger, garlic and green chilies, then add the tomatoes. So the onions, ginger, garlic and chilies are fried. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt because the boiled meat has already got salt. So half teaspoon of salt. Turmeric powder about half teaspoon. Pepper powder, because it's a pepper fry anyway, 2 teaspoons. Mix and then add the tomatoes in that and fry for about 2 minutes. Then add the boiled meat. Add 1 more teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now add a little of the gravy here and mix well, and again continue frying it. If you want, you can add fried potatoes, but I have not added yet. You can continue frying till it is dry, or you can keep little gravy if you want little gravy. So I've used all the boiled meat water. Now I'm going to sprinkle little coriander leaves. And you have your beef pepper fry, either gravy or dry.